Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rianel B. Abelia. I am a very active participant of this community from Calbayog City, Western Samar. So I'd like to express my feeling. I'm very glad to have this privilege to be a part of MM community, wherein I am able to help other people, especially those who are in need. So yesterday it was August 8, 2017 when I got spare money in the amount of 3,000 pesos. So I provided help last August 8, 2017, that was yesterday, in the amount of 3,000 pesos. So I am very happy to say that the amount were given to four participants. They were Chanford Sanggalang, Owen Busante, Fidelito Albareco, and another amount given to Fidelito Albareco. So thank you very much to MMM community for this opportunity of being able to help the other participants in this community. So thank you very much, and I'm so glad.